Hey everybody, Limon speaking. So today I'm releasing a new module which is called the Dynamic Commands module because we had a lot of feedback that it was sometimes too difficult to create commands on the fly. Well, this module is going to solve that issue. So if we install this module on your server, you will see a list of fields that you have to fill in. So in this case, we have the teleport to name, which is also the trigger. So slash teleport to in game and then the game command. So the game command is can be raw game console command, or you can use arguments to help you, right? If you scroll down, you will see for this command you have two arguments. One is self, so the type, as you see here, can be string, number, player, or self, and self is going to help you automatically use the right format to do slash teleport to my player name. And then the second argument will be the target, which is a player in this sense. So we also have a dedicated type for that. So actually the name doesn't matter now because he automatically knows the player. And that's basically it, right? We just have fields, just have to give a trigger, a name, and then arguments. And you can also add permissions if needed. So in this case, this command can only be executed if you have the teleport player permission assigned to your role. And this really helps in identifying who can run which commands. Now I also have another example, which is the teleport player. Teleport player also needs arguments, and as you can see here, it has no permission, and the arguments is self, so my own player name, the executor, and then we have an X and a Y and a Z command. Of course, argument, sorry. Of course, this is just important to make sure that you choose the right order and decide on the right type. Actually, string or number, it shouldn't matter, but for consistency, let's use the right type. Once you've done this, how it will work is it runs a cron job, which is the command generator. So this is going to check if you have changed anything in your user configuration, updating, deleting, changing values, and he will create the code behind the scenes. Now, standardly, it's running every 15 minutes to see if there are changes in this user configuration. And then at the bottom, you will see your two commands pop up. And as you can see, you can still add delay, cooldown, and a cost as well. And what is also important to note is that this module only works with the latest version. Technically, if you use a tagged version, yeah, he will not be able to change the code behind the scenes. So always install latest version. And what's also nice, and it's also an enhancement in the dynamic cron job module, is that now he differentiates on server installation. So meaning this teleport to command will only be available for this server where it's installed. If you have another server, you can create a command there. It will not interfere with your installation. It's important. So you see two commands, one cron job and one permission, which makes sense, right? What if we delete one, right? Let's see. Let's delete our self teleport. Um, and then you will see that only teleport 2 will be available, right? And if I install this module, logically nothing has changed. Why? Because the cron job still needs to run. We can wait 15 minutes or we can go to the module builder, which makes everybody exciting, and just select the command generator. You have to not look at the code, but just select the right game server you want to run the cron job on. And of course, the result should be that now one of these two commands has disappeared. So if we look at our installed module, actually that was already there. You see indeed commands one, cron job one, which makes sense because if you look at our user configuration, we only have the teleport to command available because the other stuff has been deleted. And of course, in the module builder also, it will be deleted. Now, this module is available at modules.takaro.io. I'm very much excited about this because I believe it will help you create commands faster. I will be working on a dynamic hooks module as well, so that in the end we have cron jobs, commands, as well as hooks in a way that it's much easier or faster to create. So I hope this will help, and I'm very eager to listen to your feedback.